Hello class 2, welcome back to your English literature class. Are you all ready for the literature class? I think you all are happy to be a part of the literature class because you like to learn English literature, isn't it? So now we will start the chapter, that is The Little Red Hen. So take out your book, The New Mulberry Part 2, and we were discussing chapter 5, isn't it? That is a play, means a drama, isn't it? About, and the name of the drama is Little Red Hen, isn't it? Today we will start with the drama, with the one-act play. This is a play, okay? Now see, here we will get the different characters, but okay, in this play we will get number of characters. Let me tell about the characters who are there in the play. First is the Little Red Hen. Okay, now the Little Red Hen is the main character because the name of the play is also Little Red Hen. So Little Red Hen is the main character of the play. Then the other characters are a cat, means cat, then goose, then rat. Okay, so these are cat, rat, goose, and the Little Red Hen, and the chicks. Chicks are also there. So they are the character of the play. And here we will find a person who will tell us the story. Okay, he is the narrator of the play. Clear? He is the narrator. Okay, the person who tells a story is known as narrator. Clear? Now who will narrate the story? Who will tell us the story? So he is known as the narrator. Clear? Take a pencil in your hand. And children, what you have to do, at the bottom of the page you will find the word meanings. See, so many word meanings. The first one is narrator. So many word meanings you will find. So what you have to do when you will start writing the question answers in the CW copy, before you write the question answers, you will write the word meanings. Okay. But children, I would like to tell you one thing, that there are 15 word meanings in this story, in this play. So it is very difficult for you. It will be difficult for you to learn all the 15 spellings. So I am telling you, you learn up to 10 and you will write in the CW copy up to 10, means 10 word meanings. Number 10 is sack. You will find it in page number 62. Okay, up to 10 you will write. Means 10 word meanings you will write in the CW copy. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, if you need to write more, I'll tell you later. Okay, now we were discussing about the characters. So the characters are the Little Red Hen, cat, rat, goose, and the chicks. And the narrator is there who will narrate the story. He is not the character of the play. He is the narrator. Narrator, he or she. It may be he or she. Okay, who narrates, a person who narrates the story. Clear? Now here the narrator is saying, see, we'll start from here. First line, I'll read loudly. Narrator. Little Red Hen lived on a farm with her chicks, a cat, a goose, and a rat. One day she found a grain of wheat. She took the grain to the other farm animals. So, a little red hen lived on a farm. Farm is what? What do you mean by farm? F-A-R-M. Farm means an area of land with buildings and fields which is used for growing crops. Isn't it? That is farm. Farm means it is the area of land where you will find fields and building also, small buildings, and that place is specially used for growing crops. Clear? Now, so in that farm there lived a little red hen, and with her she had her chicks, a cat, a goose, and a rat. So they are the characters. Okay, so one day what happened, she found a grain of wheat. Now what is the meaning of grain of wheat? You can see at the bottom, Grain of wheat means what? It is the seed of a wheat plant. Grain means the seed of a wheat plant that we eat. Okay, so one day the little red hen, she found a grain of wheat. Then she took the grain to the other farm animals. So the other farm animals were the rat, the goose and the cat. So she took the grain of wheat and went to them. Now let us see what she told them. Now the little red hen, what she said, who will help me plant this grain? Then the little red hen asked, who will help me to plant the grain? Means now at first what you have to do? You have to plant a seed if you want to see a plant. Okay, now it was what? It was a seed of a wheat plant. Now you need, if you want to have wheat, then what you have to do? You have to plant the seed. And that's why the little red hen, she took the plant and she went to the other farm animals for help. And then she asked, who will help me plant this grain? The cat, yawning sleepily. Means, what is the meaning of yawning? So when you feel very sleepy, what you do? Means you will open your mouth wide, isn't it? And breathing in, and you will be breathing in because you are too tired or you are bored. So when you feel very sleepy, what you do? You will open your mouth wide. Okay, you will breathe in because you are feeling very tired, isn't it? Or you are bored. Okay, so when the little red hen asked the farm animals to help her, then what was the reaction of the cat? It showed as if it yawned, okay, and as if he is feeling very sleepy and said, I'm too sleepy. Okay, then the goose. Now what is the reaction of the goose? Putting his feet up. What do you mean by putting his feet up? It means that she sat down, the goose sat down in a relaxed mood. Okay, then what she said? I'm very tired. Then that goose said, I won't because I'm very tired. So she sat down in a relaxed position. Okay, means both the cat and the goose, they denied. Okay, turn the page to page number 62. Turn the page. Okay, now we will read we know the reaction of the rat. What the rat did? Rat putting his hands behind his head. No, I won't. I'm too busy. Now, when you don't want to do something in a relaxed mood, the rat put his hands beside his head. This way he said, no, I'm too busy. I cannot. I'm too busy. Then what happened? The little red hen, what she did? Then she planted this grain of wheat. Then when they all denied to help her, then she planted the grain of wheat. Now the narrator is saying to us, listen. Narrator. So, little red hen called her little chicks to help her. Together they hoed the field, planted the grain and watered it each day. Soon the wheat grew tall, yellow and ripe. Once again the little red hen went up to the other farm animals. Now the narrator is narrating to us, telling us, so the little red hen, she planted the wheat. Then the little red hen, she asked her little chicks to help her. And they agreed. And what they did, together they hoed the field. H-O-E-D, hoed. What is the meaning of hoed? Means they dug the field with the help of a tool, a gardening tool. They dug the field because you need to plant the seed. For that you have to make the soil more smooth. Okay. Now then they together hoed the field, planted the grain and watered. What you have to do if you want to plant something, you have to sow it. Then what you have to do, you have to plant it, then you have to water it regularly. And they watered it every day. Soon what happened, the wheat grew tall, yellow and ripe. Now ripe, it is ripe, means ready to be picked and eaten. Okay, So once again the little red hen went up to the other farm animals. So once again she went to the other farm animals, means the red goose and the cat. Now the little red hen said, "Who will help me? Who will help me cut and thresh this wheat?" Now she asked them. She needs their help. Then she asked them, "Who will help me to cut and thresh the wheat?" Now what is the meaning of thresh? To separate the grains of wheat from the straw. Okay, before you take out the grain, what you have to do? How you will take out the grain? You have to separate the grain from the straw. Okay, so this is called threshing. Now she wants the help of the other farm animals to thresh the wheat. Okay. Again the cat yawning sleepily. Again the cat yawned. "I am too sleepy." The cat said, "I am too sleepy, I won't." Then same action. The goose putting his feet up, means he sat in a relaxed mood and said, "I won't, I'm too tired." Then rat. What was the reaction of the rat? The rat put his hand behind his head and said, "I won't, I'm too busy." Okay. Now the little red hen, what she will do? No one was ready to help her. So then my chicks and I will cut and thresh the wheat. Then she said that, "Okay, if you don't want to help me, it's okay. Myself and my chicks, we will cut the wheat and thresh the wheat." Okay, for today we will wind up the class here, and in the next day we will continue. Okay, in the next class we will continue with this. So go through the chapter. Okay, thank you.